So you want to manage your finances and projects all in one place? Imagine creating invoices automatically from your Monday.com boards. So just no more copy pasting data into Xero. In this video, I will show you step by step how to integrate your Monday.com with Xero. And welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology and tools for your business and make the automation easy for everyone. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the tech tutorials. And also check the description to get some special offers. Okay, so first of all, you just have to log in your account for both of this platform, Monday.com and Xero, with the same browser, and then just go to the Zapier.com. So Zapier is a free software you can start, and if you don't have any account, then you can create an account within a minute, and it's super easy. So just log in your account, then click on this create button here and go with these Zaps. Next, click on this add trigger here, and here search for the Monday.com. Now just select this. Now here you have to choose an event. Let's say new item in board. Okay, so I'm just going with this for this example. You can select according to your needs. Now you have to log in your account by clicking on this sign in. So basically it will integrate the Monday.com and the Zapier. Now it will ask you for the API access or the API token for the Monday.com. So how you can get that? So let's minimize this and go to the Monday.com. Just go to your profile here and you can see there is the option for the developers. So just go there. Now you can see there is a tab for the API token in the left side. So just head to this and you can see there is a API code. Just copy this. Okay. Now move to the Zapier this pop-up and just paste the code here. Now click on this yes continue to Monday.com. Okay, now move to this window and you will see your Zapier and the Monday.com is connected. So now simply click on this continue. Okay, here you have to configure or choose the value for the board ID. So we have selected the board. So you can see I have a project board here. So I'm just selecting this and let's click on this continue. Now if you want, then you can test it if your trigger is okay or not, if it's working correctly or not. So let's test it. Okay, so our integration is working. So let's continue with selected record. Now it is basically for the action. So if I show you, so it's already selected or completed. Now click on this for the action and search here for the Xero. Now select this. Okay, similarly you have to select or choose an event. You have to log in your account. So just select here. Let's say for this example it will create a blank transfer. Then just click on the sign in. Now just scroll down and allow access. Okay, it's successfully connected with Zapier. Now click on this continue. So to insert the data here, you can see there is a plus icon. Just click here and select for the, let's say I want to add text. Okay, so now go to this again and the name will be trigger name. Now add the type. Again text. Now click on this continue. Now if you want, then you can test this integration, or if you want, then you can skip this. Okay, you can see our integration is completed. Then just publish this if you want to directly publish this. So that's it. Basically you have connected your Monday.com and Xero successfully. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.